Hello and welcome to another one of our tutorials. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are focusing on Daffodils and Narcissi for our flower of the month, April. I'm going to create something really simple today. I'm using 2 bunches of Silver Dollar Narcissi. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed our inspirational video today. Just something really simple that we've done with the Narcissi. Something so quick and easy to create, but actually gives a slightly more contemporary feel to the flower rather than something too traditional. So I hope you've enjoyed our flower of the month, Narcissus and Daffodil. Please do have a look at all of our other videos that we have. And don't forget to hit those buttons below, like us, share us, and obviously post any comments that you have, and we'll do our best to answer them for you. Thank you so much for joining us. Enjoy the rest of your April, and we hope to see you soon. Bye for now.